Good afternoon to all. Today, in the Northeast Bankers Conclave 2024, we have with us our Honorable Union Home and Cooperative Minister, Sri Umesh Sahaji, Sri Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, Honorable Union Minister Donor, Dr. Sukhanta Majumdar, Honorable Minister of State for Donor. We have with us Sri Pema Khandu ji, Chief Minister Arunachal Pradesh, esteemed dignitaries and respected members of banking fraternity. It is a privilege to address this distinguished gathering at the Northeastern Bankers Conclave, a platform that underscores the pivotal role of financial institution in catalyzing economic transformation. Today I wish to highlight Tripura's strides in financial inclusion, credit delivery, and advancement of digital ecosystem. Over 99% of our villages now have banking access within 5-kilometer radius. Total 10,83,000 bank accounts already opened under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana with deposit of rupees 617 crore. Average deposit in Jan Dhan accounts is rupees 5,702 per account against national average of rupees 4,357. State government is trying to achieve 100% financial inclusion through Pradhan flagship schemes like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Mudra Yojana, Stand Up Scheme, and Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, etc. As per National Strategy for Financial Inclusion guideline, every village of the state has been provided with banking touch point or outlet. It is to be mentioned here that every district and every block of the state has the ATM facility. State level Bankers Committee, SLBC, of Tripura has received the award of excellence since financial year 2021-22 under Atal Pension Yojana scheme. In our state, number of financial literacy centers are running with an objective of scaling up covering all 58 blocks. 2,800 business correspondences are playing an important role in increasing financial inclusion of the state by facilitating banking services at very low cost. Banks have commendable effort in priority sectors by lending with agricultural loans and MSME credit, seeing notable growth. All the bank and microfinancial institutions are participating to provide Mudra loan to the unemployed youth in rural and semi-urban areas of the state. Mobile banking app for loan approval to farmers to reduce cost, credit delivery, and increase the reach and efficiency of priority sector lending to the state. It is a critical factor in energy sector development in the state by commitment of Sustainable Development Goals, that is SDG Vision 2030. Banks have to provide a pivotal role by providing necessary financial support. Credit deposit ratio is the most important criteria for the economic development of the state. State government has fixed target in the Lakshya 2047 that CD ratio of the state may be increased to 80%. But CD ratio of the state decreased by 3% from September 2023, that is 56%, to September 2024, that is 53%. All the bankers operating in the state have to take proactive role to increase CD ratio of the state. The state's participation in the digital payment mission has resulted in improved financial literacy and surge in cashless transaction. Despite our achievement, our mission remains unfinished. I urge the banking community to intensify the effort towards developing innovative financial products tailored for the Northeast socio-economic landscape. As we gathered here today, let us renew our commitment to building a resilient, inclusive, and vibrant banking ecosystem in Tripura and in the Northeast. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much. Namaskar.